Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to remove spaces in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. First, we need to have a set of data that we want to remove spaces from. In this case, I have personally made a list of names and scores where we can remove the spaces between the names. It is quite easy to remove the spaces as it is one of the most common functions in Microsoft Excel. We will also be tackling cases where we have spaces in front of the name, in the middle, and in the back. Now, there's a different approach for this one, so stay tuned so we can determine how to fix this problem. For our first problem, all we have to do is select the whole data that we have right now. Now, in your keyboard, press the Ctrl F function. Once you press Ctrl F, a window would show up, which is the Find and Replace window. All you have to do is click on the Replace tab. Once you do so, since we need to remove spaces, all we need to put on the Find What input box is a space. Just put one space in it. Next, since we want to delete the space, we have to replace it with nothing. That's why when we place the Replace All button, all the existing spaces are now gone. And here is what the data would look like after the spaces have been removed. As for the leading spaces, we can't do the same thing, since if we try to do so, this is what would happen. We wouldn't want their first names and last names to be together. That's why we have to go for a different approach. To fix this, all we have to do is click on the equal sign and type the trim function. Once we do so, Excel is going to ask us for a text. Just click on the cell beside this empty cell. Once we do so, close up the function and press enter. And there we have it. To apply it to the other cells, all we have to do is drag our data from the lower right portion of the cell, dragging the small green box down towards the end of the list. And there we have it. This is how we remove spaces in Microsoft Excel.